Days here. We're going to announce who won the Cybertruck.
Hello.
Hi, this is Ahmed. I'm the CEO of US Mobile. Do you have a couple of minutes to talk? I don't know how to say this, but this is your lucky day. I've called you to announce that you have won the Cybertruck. Congratulations on that.
So I'm curious, how close was I on my estimate?
He was 79 cards off.
Oh, I feel really awesome. Like I'm happy because I did some engineering estimations here.
Are you a big fan of Tesla or?
Yeah, I mean, as an engineer, I used to work in doing the airbags for most car companies.
Oh, okay.
And as an engineer, you know, they're where all the new innovation in vehicles is at.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really awesome. So
That is so great. So happy for you. Stand by. People are going to reach out from the company, and we're going to try our best to deliver this to you by Christmas.
oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah,
That sounds great.
the car is here in actually Connecticut at my house, and I know you're in Utah, so but we'll try our best so that we can get all the paperwork done in the next couple of weeks and get this Cybertruck in your hands.
I just switched over my number to US Mobile this last week as well. So
That is so great. And dude, like now you get 6 months of premium service for free as well. I know it pales in comparison to the Cybertruck, but you know what? You know, the gift is going to keep on giving for another couple of months.
yeah, that's awesome.
Awesome.
Oh man.
Thanks. It was so great talking to you, and we'll be in touch.
Okay, great
Yeah.
talking to you, Ahmed.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you so much.
You too.
Bye.
He was so happy. You could feel the excitement, and it made me so happy as well. Yeah, like anyone up for a road trip to Utah in a Cybertruck? It's going to be a lot of fun, and and I'm so glad that we did this. It's going to make me want to do another one. Yeah.
You got anything?
Another Cybertruck?
A Tesla a month.
Tesla a month.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.